Introduction/consumption. Here we see a human body with all internal organs visible. Now, the person is drinking fresh guava juice. It's not just delicious, but also highly beneficial for the body. Digestion and nutrient absorption. As the guava reaches the stomach, its nutrients begin to mix with gastric fluids, starting the digestion process. Vitamins, minerals, and fiber are absorbed into the bloodstream, reaching every organ and muscle. Benefits. These nutrients stimulate brain neurons, enhance muscle strength, and promote a healthy gut microbiome. The result? Improved memory, stronger muscles, better digestion, and overall vitality. Possible side effects/caution. But moderation is key. Overconsumption of guava may cause stomach irritation, allergic reactions, a spike in blood sugar, or even fatigue. Enjoy guava in balanced amounts to maximize its benefits safely.